It's a lady in London here. Today I want to take you on my self-guided walking tour of London's Mayfair. This luxurious area has a lot to love and a lot of beautiful things to see and do. As always, the route and map are on my blog, aladyinlondon.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel before you go. Now let's take a look and see what we find. This walk starts at the Green Park Tube Station. It's on several London Underground lines, and local buses stop here too. Once you exit the station, you'll walk west down Piccadilly. After turning right on White Horse Street, you'll find yourself in Shepherd Market. This little hidden village in Mayfair has great pubs, shops, art galleries, and more. It's a fun place to stop for a meal or a drink. From Shepherd Market, the route will take you down some streets and mews in Mayfair. You'll start to get a feel for the neighborhood here. Soon you'll find yourself in Mount Street Gardens. This is one of the prettiest secret gardens in London, and it's a great place to sit and relax. From Mount Street Gardens, you'll make your way over to Mount Street itself. This street is packed with all kinds of luxurious shops, great restaurants, and pretty cafes. From Mount Street, you'll make your way up to Grosvenor Square, the home of the former U.S. Embassy. The pretty green square is a great place to soak up the sun on warm days. From there, you'll continue north to Brownhart Gardens. This elevated garden is a great place to sit and take in the scenery. After the gardens, you'll go through a maze of little streets before you find yourself on South Molton Street, one of the best shopping streets in Mayfair. Soon you'll reach Lancashire Court. This little alley has great restaurants and bars and cafes packed into it. Next, you'll head south on New Bond Street. This street is famous for its shops and art galleries, and it's a great place to browse and buy. After that, you'll turn off on Bruton Street, where there's a beautiful historic pub you can enjoy. After winding through a back street, you'll find yourself in Berkeley Square. You can soak up the green space here or eat at one of the many restaurants and cafes lining the square. From there, it's a short walk down some side streets to get to Old Bond Street. Once on Old Bond Street, don't miss highlights like the Royal Arcade. It's stunning to see. And that's to say nothing of Burlington Arcade, which is another of the most famous shopping arcades in London. After exiting Burlington Arcade, you'll walk east down Piccadilly. Don't miss the Royal Academy as you go. Your Mayfair walk ends at the Piccadilly Circus tube station, but if you want to, you can stick around and explore more of the area. I hope you enjoyed this self-guided walk in London's Mayfair and that it's made you want to get out and do it yourself someday. Like I said before, the full route and map are on my blog, aladyinlondon.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel before you go. Happy walking!